it's me, Bonita, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog ay magkakaroon po tayo ng unboxing video. Yes, you heard it right. So what we have here is a package from my upline in Frontrow. Yes po, I'm now an official member of Frontrow Philippines. So I'm in and I avail their package, and with that, may kapalit pong product ang package na mapipili mo. It depends kung anong gusto mo. It's bronze, silver, gold, and then platinum. So what we have here is a package from my upline, Nila. Shoutout po sa inyo. Napakabait niyo po. And ito po ay nakuha ko sa nearest LBC office or station, whatever, in our town. So what we have here is magkakaroon po tayo ng unboxing video. We will be opening this box and I will be sharing to you kung ano po yung laman nito. Kasi I myself, I don't know what's inside, or I'm not yet familiar, or I don't see anything yet before. And I'm so excited to do this with you guys. So let's go, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Tayo, sorry to my English. I'm just practicing myself to speak in English since we're still in the vacation, and I'm so, parang sa bakal ay nangangalawang na. Hindi naman ako ganun kagalingan sa English, and it's supposed to be, dapat medyo marunong na tayo since college na tayo, and we will be in a lot of, sanitize first. Lot of presentation when schools comes in. And let's do this. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung English ko, English Karabaw. But, let's try it. No one is good at the beginning, so let's do it. So, of course, let's sanitize it first. Though, na-sprayan ko na naman siya before when I had it. But, let's still, sanitize it. And then, sorry, hindi ko masyadong may pakita. Wait lang, I will try for you guys. So there, medyo nakikita na yung pagmumukha natin. And we will try to open this up. Oops, wait a minute. Lumalakad yung aking... Yep. Alright. So, this package contains a silver and a platinum package of Frontrow. But huwag kayo masyadong kasi this is not all mine. So, this is not just mine. Yung platinum na package is from my owns by my upline, Ate Jennifer. Thank you po sa pag-sponsor. So, akin lang po dito ay yung silver package. Shoutout sa Ate Jen. Siya po yung talagang nag-invite sa akin sa Frontrow. Okay, how this would work. Ano parang ito? Pasensya na, hindi po tayo kung ganun kagalingan magbukas ng package since wala naman nagpapadala sa akin. Ano pa to? My God, kasi. Hindi mo to bukasan eh. Paano ba ire? Paano ba ire? Hindi naman mabuksan. Ay, saan ba ang pinto na re? Ay, doon yata. Gayon. Hindi na eh. I think here. Alright. Dapat kanina ko pang ginawa. Oh! Here it goes, guys. What's supposed to be? Okay, siguro protection. So, at last, here it goes. I'm so happy. We have the bag and the products inside. Okay. I don't know it yet kung alin dito yung... Kung alin dito yung sa akin. And meron silang... wait. Meron silang pa-notebook. Yep. I don't know. Alright. We have this notebook. Syempre, kapag nag-o-obom kami, nag-webinar, trainings, we need the notebook to, of course, to take down notes, diba? Para mas matandaan natin yung mga tinuturo nila. Kasi I have this motto. I don't know if this is the front row motto, but for me, myself, this is my motto when I enter the front row. And this is learn to earn. Kasi doon naman nagsisimula ang lahat sa pagkatuto, di ba? And wala namang magaling na sa umpisa. What we have here? Frontrow Philippines Frontrow Enterprise Philippines Corporated. Wow, I like the color. Oops. Oh. We have this, what do you call this? Folio, magazines or whatsoever. Yep. This has of course, the Lux White. I want to try the Lux White. This one. It's like brochure something. Ay, so cute. Oh, model nila Momoland. And meron nga yung binibenta ang Frontrow. Kung gusto nyo mag-avail, ilalagay ko pa sa description yung BTS album natin. Alright. So, there. And here is the... Oh, no. Yeah. Another one. So, hindi ko sure kung alin dito yung sa akin. So, siguro ito yung sa akin. The silver one. And this is the platinum. Saan ba nakikita? Pero pares lang naman sila ng laman. Ganon din siya. Mga, tawag dito, mga parang brochure. There, what will we have here? So, alisin na natin ito. Ano? Ay, meron pa pala dito dalawa. I think this is mine. The Lux White! Here's the Lux White. Oops. At ang trending na skin whitening soap. Yep. Parang sa wawawin ko lang ito napapanood. And now, I have it here. And the Lux White. Oh, I'm so happy. There. So, I think this is mine. Kasi yung nakita ko doon, kasi pinili ko ay silver one. And I think this is mine too. Insta Bright Body Cream. Oh, so cute. I want to try this. Pero kung gusto niyo po mag-avail, ito ay made in Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Oo, kasi puro Korea eh. Kasi narinig ko siya sa talk. What we have here? Another. Napakasikat ng mga ano nito. Ng mga, tawag dito? Mga endorser. Okay. See? We have the list of the items and the price. So, for those who want to avail, you can... I'm wrong. Yung akin pala, yung magandang color. Ayun, no. Sa akin pala to, guys. Ayun. Now I know. Okay. Cute. I'm so excited. What we have here? Another Lux White. And, Lux Protect. It has pure grape extract. Diba? Tama ako. Okay, what we have here? Another Lux White. Another Lux White. Another Lux Protect. And then, this Skin Whitening Bar 01. Okay, that's it. And super excited na ako. And if you want guys to avail these products and any of them, you can just message me, send me DM on my Instagram. Here, I will put it here. Yeah, you can send me a DM, and if you want to order, you can just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this unboxing video, though I'm not that good at it, and I'm just it's just my trip. And I want to show this to my uplines that I opened this with a great smile and so excited to use this and to market this because Frontrow is way better than anything else. It will give you such an experience and lessons and money, of course. So that's great. Yeah. And if you want guys to learn more, to be a millionaire, to earn more, to do business, just send me a DM again on my Instagram. If you want to attend some trainings and presentation about Frontrow, I will bet this would be great if you would start learning to earn. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and I hope you send me DM for sure. And thank you very much. I hope you also subscribe, like, comments, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and God bless us all. Thank you guys. Bye.